Welcome to another tutorial on extended forms. In this video, we'll learn how to customize extended forms as per your brand. As you can see, I have already opened Google Forms. On the right side, you'll see the extended forms settings. Click on the Responses button. It will redirect you to the extended forms dashboard. Into the Forms section, where you can see your connected sample quiz form. Click on it and go to the Preview option. Let me show you where you'll see your customized branding. As you can see, in the welcome page, you'll see a brand logo that you can customize at the top left side. Then, start the quiz. Inside the form at the top left corner of the bar as well, you'll see your brand logo and icon. And you can also customize the theme color of the form. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and see how to customize your extended forms brand. Go to the Brand section. From here, you can customize personal branding. Let's update icon. I have chosen an image from the device to add as a brand icon. Then, I will update the brand logo the same as how I updated the brand icon. Moving forward, we can customize brand URL, support email address, and brand theme. Here, I'm customizing my form's navigation and background color and updating it. Now I'm going back to the Forms section, opening the sample quiz and previewing it. As you can see, the logo has been updated to my brand image in the welcome screen. When I split or shorten the screen, I will see the updated brand icon instead of the brand logo that we just saw. Let's start the quiz. You'll see the customized brand logo and theme. But to customize a specific form's theme, in this case, to customize my quiz forms theme, I will go back to the main setting. Click on More, go to Form Settings, Theme, and then update the quiz's forms theme colors. You'll see the default brand option that you can switch back to if you want. Now, preview again and start the form. You can see the updated brand theme in the navigation and body background of the form. If you click on the brand logo, you'll be redirected to the URL page that the user has added in the brand URL option in the brand page. Let's move to customized branding for teams. Go to the Teams section. You can see the added team. I clicked on the account profile at the top. We'll see the personal account and the team account. From there as well, you can create team, write a name, and create a team, and you'll see it under the current teams section. Click on the team brand option. It'll lead you to the branding page. From here, update the brand icon and logo, along with the brand URL, support email address, and brand theme. Once updated, I switched to the new team account, then navigated to the forms and opened my created quiz under that team. Preview the form. As you can see, my brand logo is visible on the welcome screen. Then, inside the form, the updated logo and icon are shown along with the brand theme. Similar to how I did in the personal branding, where I can specifically for a particular form change theme, I will follow the same process for this test form as the team's branding. Under Form Settings, Theme, I can see the default brand color theme that I can switch to. But here, I'm customizing my own. Updated, then I'm previewing it again to show you all the forms theme is changed. Thank you! That's how you customize extended forms as per your brand.